Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Creality print. So if you are using a mouse, what you're going to do is go with your mouse cursor directly over the 3D model or bed area. And what you can do is just scroll the mouse wheel forward uh, to zoom in and uh, scroll the mouse wheel backward to zoom out. And the same thing it goes for the touchpad on your computer. So what you're going to do is just place the cursor right here on the 3D model, and what you're going to do is use two finger pinch open gesture so that you move your fingers apart to zoom in, and then uh, the other way around it will zoom out. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next